been to Pepsi Smash
Welcome
before,
to Film
but we are
School
so
USA,
excited, so excited.
multicam editing tutorials. Take a look at Alicia Keys singing Heartburn from Pepsi Smash. I worked on Pepsi Smash as one of the editors, and remember that multicam editing is easier depending on which platform you use. I know it's possible in Premiere and Final Cut Pro, but I do recommend trying it on Avid Media Composer. I found it to be infinitely easier than Final Cut Pro and Premiere. But to each his own, choose the platform that works best for you. Here's some multicam editing and Alicia Keys on Pepsi Smash.
Now I am here with the lovely and talented Miss Alicia Keys. Thank you. Thank you for coming by.
Thank you for having me.
Now, I know you were out of the country yesterday, right?
Yeah, I just took a 14-hour flight from Portugal to be here today.
Give it up.
Thank you.
All right, the new album's called The Diary of Alicia Keys.
Yes, sir.
If we know your songs,
Yeah,
does that mean we know you?
definitely. You know, what what I write is what I know, you know, and what I live. So you definitely get a little peek into what I think and who I am. I mean, that's the only way I know how to do it.
All right, busy year, obviously.
Yeah.
Obviously. What's next year looking like?
Next year is looking incredible. I mean, there's so many things I want to branch out into. I want to branch out into movie scoring. I want to branch out into acting. There's so many things I want to do. I just want to be, as much as I'm in front of the scenes, I want to be behind the scenes as well, because there's so many ways that you can be a part of things, and that's what I want to do.
Right on. Now, speaking of next,
Right on.
what's the next song you're going to do?
Oh, I'm going to do one of my favorite songs off of the album called Heartburn.
Nice.
That's kind of how you make me feel, you know?
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Go do it.
Let's do this.
One more time. Alicia Keys.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. That's right. See y'all. See y'all. It's me, y'all. Keys, y'all. Let me tell you something. Tell you how I feel. When it comes around, it's an aching feeling. So I'm going in. Adrenaline rushing in my body. On my paw, just can't fight it. No matter how I keep on trying, I can't deny I got this heart burning in my soul. Call
it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid. Shake it, 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 shake it like a Polaroid. Shake it, 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 shake it like a Polaroid.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hopefully you've enjoyed this example of multicam editing on Film School USA. Your biggest homework assignment today is to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. This is Film School USA and Richard Arsenault.